Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene, and in case you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm coming live from the village. I'm still in the village, and I'm just going for a walk. I'm going for a walk, and we are here today. But I'm not in my home village. I went somewhere, so we're amazing gates there, beautiful buildings. Everything looks amazing. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also give this video a like. You can share with your friends, and also leave a comment down below. And I really appreciate it. There's a lot of sun. I feel like it's affecting my eyes. It's a beautiful day. The time is let me check it is 12. It is 12. So guys, I did there's a video I posted in my channel about why I moved from the city. And some people are in my inbox in my Instagram. So the reason why I came back to the village is I just wanted to be back home. You see this, very beautiful. I've come from that side. It's very beautiful. See this. So guys, living in the city is very expensive sometimes. Like, everything is money. Everything is money. If you don't have like a good job, so it is a struggle. So I just decided to come back home and do some amazing content for you guys, and also to relax. That's been a long journey, but I thank God for everything. See that? Very beautiful. So guys, I hope I have answered your question, and so I just decided to come back home. And try from here. So please guys, support me. So please support me. So those ones who are in my inbox, I think I've already answered you. So it has been raining. A lot of rains here. So we are blessed. Like, everywhere is green, you see? Everywhere. Even the grass is now coming out very well. So we thank God for everything. So I'm so happy to be back. And I don't know if I should say this, but I don't know. But we have these people, like, I have like four people on my Instagram. They have been asking me. We have been seeing you doing videos for the whole, like, yes, I've been on YouTube for like 2 years now. 2 years now. And someone was asking me, why are you not traveling? Like, you start traveling out of Nairobi. So many stuffs. Like, someone was like comparing me with my friends. Like, your friends are traveling, and you are still here. You should travel. So you see, guys, traveling is, yes, I've been in YouTube for like 2 years now. It is 2 years. Traveling is very expensive, especially when you don't have a good supportive system. Very expensive. You need money. Yeah, so if you don't have money, you cannot plan anything. Yeah, so the reason why I'm not traveling is because I don't have money. Yeah, I'm trying to make ends meet. You know, like I'm everything I get from YouTube. Like you see, YouTube, like I don't earn like every month. I can go even 3 months without earning. Like the richer I get, I'm trying to support my family at some point. Yeah, you see, I'm the firstborn in my family. Like being the firstborn, like it carries a lot of responsibilities, lah. Yeah, so I'm trying to support my family, and when the time is right, we will travel. Yeah, we will travel. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. That is the reason why I am not traveling. I hope I've answered your question. Yeah, so guys, please support me. Support me. I really appreciate it. So I just want to get lost to that side, to the other side, and I don't know where I'm heading to, but I felt like I'm not been feeling well for the past 4 days. Like I have a problem with my teeth. One of my teeth is giving me problems. The other day it was so swollen. I went to the hospital, and they said they're not going to remove it until like the swollen part is well. So they gave me some tablets. So for now I'm well, but at night I don't even sleep because of the. Yeah, you guys have been in the village for 2 months now, and there are some people like when someone tries to ask me where am I, I'm in Nairobi. Like someone, I tried to tell the person I'm in the village. The person who was not believing, like. So I've been in the village for 2 months now. Yeah. And the videos I'm posting, like from Nairobi, Nanyuki, I did them like so many months away, like so many months back. I'm just uploading them. Yeah, so we are here. And guys, we are hoping for the best. Yeah, so keep supporting me. And those people were comparing me like with my friends. This is me. Yeah, you know, everyone has his or her own time to shine. Yeah. Yeah, so this is me. I'm trying to work hard. Yeah, maybe if you keep supporting me, someday we'll start traveling. No rush. I know you guys like you want to see new things on my channel. I've been doing videos so many times from Nairobi. I went to Kisumu, I went to Nakuru, and also I went to Mombasa like 2 months ago. Yeah, so I'll try to look for money. But no pressure. So yeah, you will church somewhere here. No, what is this? You see, guys, even the village, the roads are okay, and very much okay. And people have been invested in planting like trees. Yeah, trees everywhere. Yeah, here. We're just going round and round. Yeah. Yes. It's almost raining, guys. It's almost raining. I don't know if I should end this video, guys, but yeah, I should end it. I want to go somewhere. Can I go back home before it rains? Yeah. So guys, let me just end this video here. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. If you haven't subscribed, guys, to my channel, please subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment down below. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.